Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be talking about why I believe that beef is healthier, if only slightly, than chicken. So the main reason is to do with ruminant versus monogastric animals, and I'm going to talk about that, the differences in the next few slides. I basically first found out about this since I started the carnivore diet, which I've been doing for around 2 months now. And there's this idea that the purest, like the best carnivore diet you can do, which is actually called a lion diet, is just purely ruminant meat, and that's it, plus like salt and water, and doesn't even include a lot of meats and like fish or dairy, anything like that. So I got interested in it and decided to look a bit more into it, and yeah, I'll show you what I found. So the main difference between a ruminant and a monogastric animal is the number of compartments in their stomachs. So typically a ruminant would have 4 compartments and a monogastric animal would have just 1. So ruminants chew their food multiple times through a process called rumination, or like regurgitation. And ruminant animals convert polyunsaturated fatty acids into saturated fatty acids, which is what we want. And when cows are fed corn, soy, or similar content, they synthesize these polyunsaturated fatty acids into healthier fats that are easy for us to digest. And here are a few more comparisons. Sorry for the blurry picture, it's a screenshot. So yeah, ruminants can synthesize protein, have a longer digestive system, can utilize fiber better. No need for good quality protein, whereas monogastric animals kind of need good quality protein. Feel free to pause if you want to look at all of them. So this is like the tier of meats, basically, from best to, I wouldn't say worst, because honestly they're all good, which I'll touch on a bit later on. But the creme de la creme is like grass-fed, pasture-raised ruminant meat. Second is like grain-fed ruminant meat. Third is naturally fed monogastric, and then the sort of at the bottom there is the grain-fed monogastric. So you might be thinking, what are examples of ruminants and monogastric? So beef, lamb, moose, elk, deer, bison, buffalo, and giraffe are all examples of ruminants meat. So these are like the gold standard. And then examples of monogastric meat are chicken and pork. And I think you can include like fish in there as well. Not 100% sure, but yeah, basically that top list there, that provides like the best like quality meat you can get. And if it's like grass-fed, pasture-raised, then that's even better. So yeah, like one point I'll make is, if you're starting out in your body transformation, you've still got that first like 20 pounds to lean down, then honestly this is just not important, like, at all. When I went through my transformation, I didn't have a clue about any of this, and I actually ate a lot of chicken, particularly like chicken breast. That's just what I was enjoying and I thought was the healthiest at the time. So yeah, honestly, this is only if you're really looking to optimize your health. And again, it's my opinion as well. I'm sure a lot of people think that there's nothing wrong with eating like grain-fed chickens, and that can be optimal as well. So in summary, ruminant animals such as cows and sheep have 4 stomachs, and they can basically process out toxins in their feed much better than pigs or chickens can. So basically the quality of the meat is just a lot better and more nutrient dense. Particularly if the pigs or chickens are grain fed, there'll be a lot more of these like plant toxins, which they can't convert into something which is useful for us like as easily as cows and sheep can. So yeah, that's everything for today's video. Hope you learned something, and thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.